Welcome to lesson 4, sexual polarity. I think we all understand the basic concept of electromagnetic energy, in which you have positive and negative charges that interact with each other. There's a similar dance interplay that plays out with the masculine and the feminine. A feminine energy way of being, a masculine energy and way of being. Masculine energy, generally speaking, is more focused and directed, driven toward accomplishing a mission or a goal. We've talked about the penis. This would be a symbol of that masculine energy that's pointed, directed, driven toward accomplishing a mission or a goal. Other examples might be New York City. When you think about New York City, the city that never sleeps, that's always on the go, always moving. The seed, offering that source of life. The key, entering into the lock. The riverbank, providing structure, direction for the river. In contrast is the feminine energy that's more open and flowing, offering a radiant invitation into the celebration of life itself. Think about the vagina. That's an organ of accommodation. It opens, it receives into itself. Hawaii, relaxing, nurturing, inviting. Hawaii and New York City have two very different atmospheres about them. The ground that receives, the lock that receives the key, the power of the flowing river. So while the river flows within the riverbank, there's power within that river as well. This image of polarity is more descriptive than prescriptive. And so it's not suggesting that all men are on the masculine side of this continuum and all female are on the feminine side of the continuum. I think we all know of various exceptions. Generally speaking, I think males are still on the masculine side of the continuum. Females are on the feminine side, and there's a few who find their home on the neutral side of this continuum. But again, the goal here is not to be prescriptive, here's what you must do, but more descriptive, here's a way in which life works, that there's this masculine and feminine presence and energy into the world. Because if I want to grow into my masculinity, there's a sense where, okay, what does masculine energy look like? What does masculine presence look like? As we noted on in the other lessons, there's balance here. So we're not taking these things to the extreme. But there's still a core image here. What does it mean to hold a masculine presence in the world? All right, here's an image of that. Sexual polarity shows a contrast between the masculine and the feminine. So we have an understanding, ideal, a template of what it looks like to hold masculine energy, masculine presence in the world.